Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set up a passcode to the TickTick application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on the settings option in the upper right corner, scroll down to the general section, scroll down till you find this last option, passcode and touch ID. As you can see, set email account to ensure the security of your data and privacy. Account password and application passcode work better together. So click on passcode and then you should enter your passcode that you want to so you should re-enter it, that you want to set as your passcode. If you want, you can change it by tapping on the change passcode button. You can also select when would you like to be required your password, such as immediately, after 15 seconds, after 30 seconds, after 1 minute, and so on. And you can also set your touch ID, so when you want to open the app, you will be asked to use your touch ID in order to unlock the application. So click on it, and that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.